Okay, everyone, we continue with the milestone 2. So in the milestone 2, we continue the previous works, the partial milestone 1 that we have completed and saved in the Power BI file. Okay, so let's open the OneDrive folder where I put my milestone 1. So I copy this. So I create the milestone 2. So milestone 2 continue from the milestone 1. Okay, yep, here you go. So we open in a Power BI. The milestone 2 asking you to configure the data modeling by adding the relationship. Yeah? Define the relationship between these tables, and then also create a hierarchy for the employee data with the department and the job role. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to do that and optimize the model, review and ensure that the relationships are correctly set to either single or both directions as needed. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is the milestone 1. We have already created we imported 7 tables and create the 1 measure table. So the next thing we want to do is from the data model, then we're going to create the 5 relationship. The 5 relationship are the forming the star schema, yeah, with the employee data in the middle. Okay, so let's do it. So education, job involvement, performance rating, satisfaction, and work-life balance, 5 tables. So we click the model view, and we just hide this pane because we don't need, and slightly adjust the size of the data model to a bit smaller so we can see all of them. Yeah. Okay, then after that we're going to arrange the diagram. Okay, so the other table that needed is the attrition, one moment, yeah. Okay, yeah, here you go. So the work-life balance, satisfaction, yeah, work-life balance, satisfaction, and performance rating. Work-life balance, satisfaction, okay, then performance rating. Okay, these 2 tables are not linked, but we just put closer here. Yeah. Between the employee data and education, job involvement, and work-life balance already created automatic. So this created when we import the data to the Power BI. Power BI detect if there are column that identical the name between these 2 tables, then it will try to create the link automatic. Yeah, just create just a few. Yeah, so between employee data and education, link with the education ID. Yeah. So you can screenshot this. Many to one, single, correct. Yeah. This one also. Yeah. From the employee data to job involvement using the job involvement column. And this one, work-life balance. Yeah, work-life balance. Okay. So now we're going to create a link. Yeah, from this table performance rating to the employee data. So we look for the similar column name, yeah, performance ID, and here we have the performance, yeah, performance rating. Yeah, so you click this the column, then drag to the performance rating. Slowly, yeah. Performance, oops, sorry, this one, performance rating. Too fast, yeah. Okay, slowly. Okay. Never mind. So if we cannot do that, we can do manual, yeah, in the performance rating. This one, yeah. So we click this performance and performance rating. One to many and single. Okay, yeah. So the link, if you cannot do using the drag and drop, you can use manual. Satisfaction ID, yeah. This one is satisfactions. So job satisfaction, yeah. Okay, so create screenshot and save it. So we have created the star schema. Yeah, you can create a screenshot for the star schema. And yeah, all correctly linked. That's this part. You can check from the manage relationship. Yeah, one to many, all active. Yeah, there is no redundancy or the passive link. Click close. Okay, then create hierarchy. Yeah, employee data with the department and job role. Okay, so let's go to the this one, data, yeah, then properties. So in the employee data, we have the department and job role. Department is the higher hierarchy, and job role is the next one. So department, yeah, right click, create hierarchy. Okay, after that, in the properties here, normally we create departments, yeah, departments with S, so meaning that it is a hierarchy. And in the column, yeah, we're going to add the job role. Okay, yeah, so after that, apply the changes. Okay, now it becomes the hierarchy. You can see, for example, education and education field, yeah. So education in the table, the education, you have this below college, yeah. Okay, so education level, yeah. Then you have the education field, yeah. So let's have a look here. In the education field, this one, yeah. So technical degree, other life science, medical, maybe education field can be put into the hierarchy, yeah. So let's try to do that, yeah. So in here, education, right click, after that create the hierarchy. Okay, then educations. So we add the column below this, yeah. Educations level, education field, yeah. Okay, then apply changes. You look again other if there is any anything that you can make it hierarchy, that's possible, yeah. But this one is enough, yeah. Two hierarchy, we created two hierarchy. Okay, so let's have a look again. Optimize the model, review and ensure that the relationships are correctly set to either single or both direction as needed. Okay, so looks at one by one, or using the manage relationship, you can see everything is okay, yeah. Then close. So after this, then don't forget to save, yeah. So file, after that save as, yeah. Save as the Milestone2. this one. Yeah. Then in the DMV files. OneDrive, sorry. OneDrive. Sign in. T_Ryan. Okay, so sign in. Okay. Yep, okay. Takes a while. Okay, yeah, so should be in the OneDrive. Okay. Yep, DMV Milestone2, yeah. Okay, so save, close, save it. Okay, so that's Milestone2. Just to verify that your update is reflected in the DMV files. Milestone2, okay, 919, yeah, correct. Yeah. So we already have created the star schema with the 5 tables. You just verify. Okay, waiting. Yep. So go to the model. Yep, correct. Yeah. Okay, so the file already saved.